of the good things about being so behind on my planner is that I can choose sticker kits to actually properly match the week rather than just being like, this probably will work with the plans I have. In this video, I'm going to be going over my sticker kits for March and April, which includes my birthday, my daughter's birthday, and my great-grandpa's birthday, as well as the Great Planner Getaway and my daughter's start at nursery. So without any further ado, let's get straight into it. So this first week, the 2nd of March, didn't really have anything particularly special happening, but I wanted to use this gorgeous rainbow office kit. I think I might have been doing quite a lot of businessy things this week, lots of prep for the Great Planner Getaway and things. So I thought this kit was great. And so this is from my own shop. This is Rainbow Office and I have it in premium matte. So these are your 9 full boxes. And then we have the main body of the kit. So you've got your glitter headers, deco and some squared boxes and things. You've got your pattern page and your solids page, your little things and your date covers, then your bottom washi, your extra 2 full boxes taking you to 11 full boxes. And then I also do a full page of other alternate skin and hair colours. So you've got the fashion person here and then a cute little outfit here, which I love, as well as a pattern box because there weren't enough there. So that's the kit, and obviously most of my kit pages are this way, but the first one is that way just because that way you fit more full boxes on. So that's the kit. And then I have this sort of pinky purple foil bundle from Scribble Prints Co, which is kind of between the pink and the purple of the kit, to go with it in this sort of groovy format, which I thought matched the vibe of the kit quite well. So you've got your full box pages there, you've got your underlays, your scripts and icons, and the bottom washi page, and that's from Squirrel Prints Co, obviously. So that's going to be that combo. I haven't pulled in any solid underlays or anything like that. I suppose I could pull in like a solid colour underlay, maybe in like the blue or the yellow. Let me know if you think I should do that in the comments. I think the yellow would look quite cute. I might do that. I might make myself some solid underlays in yellow to go with that. But yeah, that's for the week of the 2nd of March. A lot of these are just kits and foil I had ready. So yeah, the next week, the 9th of March, was Mother's Day, and this was my first actual Mother's Day, but I've gone with this Spring Bakery kit because I think it's got like that celebration vibe without being too like, I don't know, but it's also spring, so it's perfect. So this was the Cyber Monday mystery in 2024. So you've got your full boxes, your extra boxes here. I do PR for Plannerface, by the way, so you can use Tilly to save 10% if you're shopping there. I love the sort of pastel colours of the kit. This, I believe, is older. Oh no, this is new format. Well, we've had the newer format for so long now. I've recently used a kit in the older format and I'm, yeah, not used to it. But we got alternate skin colour here and some extra boxes and things because Anna includes absolutely everything. And then you've got toolbox, your glitter headers and everything there, your box add-on, and then the mystery add-on. You have these 2 extra boxes there and things there. So that's that kit. And then I designed this foil bundle for Mother's Day specifically. So this is why, like, it's a mixture of sort of hearts and flowers. So this is a foil bundle from my shop, and I'm just going to hold it at this angle because obviously the foil is just like foiling at that angle. So yeah, you've got your 8 main boxes there. Then you've got your scripts and icons. I've missed a page. It's just in the wrong order. This page should be 2nd. There we go. So you've got your bottom washi, your extra 3 boxes, and your headers there. And then you've got your scripts and icons and your headers, and then you've got the underlays. Again, these are quite a full-on underlay, so I just didn't think we needed anything else, and I think the silver just pairs really nicely. But yeah, it's kind of my Mother's Day foil bundle, but it's hearts and flowers basically. So it's very versatile, but it's got "She is a wildflower" as the quote. So that's my Mother's Day kit for the 9th of March. The week of the 16th of March was the Great Planner Getaway. So of course I am using the Great Planner Getaway kit for that, which is from Plannerface. And this has got Luna and Nova. So this is a, not Milk and Berries, like Dinder Palettes art set that was recoloured specifically for the Great Planner Getaway, with some extra little elements thrown in. So they're your full boxes, then extra boxes there. I absolutely love all of the blues. I think it's super cute. And then, oh, just look at it. Oh, I'm so excited to do this spread. It's going to be such a good week. Then we've got lots of extra boxes there, your glitters, I always get these two add-ons. So I get the box add-on and the 15mm add-on. They're the two add-ons that I always get. And then with this, I have the, so this was my table gift to go with this. So it is a Stars and Moon foil bundle, and I did it in a blue foil to go with the kit. So you've got your boxes. Again, I don't know why I've got this page here. I don't know what order I normally put my foil bundles in, but to me this page should be second. So that's that page. You've got your scripts icons, and then again your bougie. My bougies are generally pretty full on, so you don't need anything else. But yeah, I know the blue foil isn't the same blue as the kits. This is sort of more darker blues, but I think it works pretty well. And I think it'll make the foil pop better than if I'd used a closer blue. So that's for the week of the Great Planner Getaway, which was the 16th of March. The next week, the 23rd of March, was my daughter's first week of nursery. So I am using this Pink Planner Shop kit, which is a printable shop. So I printed this myself for it. Because I just thought it was like very nursery-like, and they've got a gorgeous outdoor area, and like, yeah, I just thought this kit was really, really appropriate. You've got your colour blocked headers, which isn't my favourite thing in the world because I prefer to choose my own order for colour blocking, but yeah. So you've got your rounded boxes there, littles, glitter, more full boxes, appointment labels. And then you've not got very much deco in this kit, that's the only thing there. So that's the kit. And I'm actually like triple layering my underlays, and one of the underlays doesn't really match. So let's talk about this. So first up, I have this, which really does match. Like, look how well that matches. I just think that's going to be stunning. So this is like a dark yellow script, and I think that's perfect. And then the foil bundle I have is this floral one. My issue was, I'd already like planned to use this foil bundle with something else, and it had this hands, and I could save it. Like, I could just not, because I've got spares of this, I could just, you know, pull these out and leave them with the hands. In fact, I might do that. I might just get another sheet and leave these for another spread where it looks better with it, because I'm not sure the purple really necessarily goes. But then I was like, oh, but it can be like helping hands. So let me know in the comments, do I keep the purple hands in this or not? Haven't decided yet, because I didn't really think about the option of not including them and just putting in an extra silver. I don't know why I didn't think that. But anyway, so I've got this floral Plannerface foil bundle. So you get 2 pages of your full boxes, 2 pages of your bougie, and then your 5th page is the bottom washi scripts and date dots. So that's her foil bundle format. So in silver again. And then I do have these Planner Pixie coats. So these are foiled myself from a Disney spread I did, because they are the Disney hands. But I thought it was like helping hands, but like while the colour doesn't quite match, I think it would still look cute. But let me know, do you think that would look silly or not? Because what we would do is, so it would be this over that. So that's kind of how it would look. It might be too much, so let me know what you think. I think I'm leaning towards getting rid of the purple hands, but let me know in the comments what you think I should do there. But that is for the week of the 23rd of March, and that is my March kits done. So we are now moving on to my April kits, and the first week of April, which is the 30th of March, week beginning of 30th of March, I am using this kit here, which is a Josephine bow mystery. Look how foiled it is. I've currently unsubscribed from a mystery, but depending how, like, I've got a couple of kits coming up. Depending how it goes, I might re-sub. But anyway, I'm using this foil bundle because this was the week of this kit, because this was the week of my daughter's first birthday party, and we did a Very Hungry Caterpillar theme. And so I just feel like this matches perfectly for that. So you've got your 8 full boxes here. They are holographic foiled, which is what I was showing you. But like, if I try and show off hollow foil well, it just, yeah, the rest of the colours go funny, so we'll keep the colours right. So you've got your 8 full boxes there, then you've got your boxes page, so you've got half boxes and quarter boxes there. You've got your date covers, Monday through Sunday, and some habit trackers, sidebar, other bits and pieces there for layering. Then you've got your washi. So the reason I'm not certain about resubscribing is because I think I just need more than there is in these kits. So you also have your headers, which are obviously colour blocked, and then you've got get an extra boxes page, and you also get this mixed functional sheet. So I'm hoping like with all of that I will have enough, but I just don't know. You do also get a die cut, so this was the die cut, and I was subscribed in the version that where you got underlays, and these are in hollow foil as well. You can see there it is a beautiful, beautiful hollow foil. But yeah, I think that kit works really well for a Very Hungry Caterpillar themed party. And then I also do just have these extra shimmer underlays that I might use with it's mixed metal hollow and lavender hollow that I might also use there. So yeah, we'll see when I go to plan this kit whether I can colour block, or I might just not colour block these weeks and see how that goes. But I would feel really weird. They'd be the only weeks that weren't colour blocked. There's also only 8 full boxes, and I usually use like more than that. So we'll see. But that is the week of her party, and that's why we're using that kit. So her birthday was then actually on the Monday, on the 6th. So this is the week of the 6th of April, and this is the only kid birthday kit I have. So this at the moment, I actually have one I need to haul, I think. No, not haul, I need to pull out. But yeah, this is Shark Party by Scribble Prints Co. It was just her birthday. We did a rainbow, she had rainbow balloons, and we went to Yorkshire Wildlife Park, so I could have used like a kit for that. But yeah, so this is the kit. This is an older format. I believe I got this in a D-stash, but this is quite an old format, so I don't really know how this is going to go. Hopefully I will have plenty. I don't have an extra 15mm washi, but I do have plenty. I can pull it. And then I wouldn't necessarily have put gold with this kit, but this is the only birthday foil bundle I had. I did debate putting this with the next kit because the next week is my birthday and the kit I'm using isn't birthday, so I did wonder about that, but I just didn't think it went, so we're not doing that. So this is the birthday foil bundle from Plannerface, and this again I think was in the Advent, not again because yeah, this was in the Advent last year for 2025, and I think it's absolutely stunning. I hope she brings that in more colours to the shop. But yeah, that's there. And then I also have these rainbow underlays, which are, oops, this foil is not foiling well at the moment for me. I might have to take it out the shop. But I've got those rainbow foil underlays there to go with it because I think the kit kind of shouts rainbow to me. So yeah, that's for my daughter's birthday. And then we have my birthday week, and I decided for my birthday week I'm just going with something I love, which is reading, and I went with Romance Reader. So this is actually Cat of Peace Plan Love, who is a good friend, so I think that's really cute. And yeah, we've just got like, this is Clip Art Kit's art, so yeah, I like purple is my colours as well, so yeah, I thought it was a good little nod to me without being a birthday kit, so that's there. Oh, so got the whole kit and the 15mm add-on there. So that is the kit. And then foil wise, I have this foil bundle, but I seem to have pulled out the underlays to use somewhere else. I don't know what I've done, but anyway, so I've got the confetti, the scripts and icons, and the bottom washi, which is fine. That's all I actually need, to be fair. Because then I'm going to pull in these solid foiled, which again are not foiled very well, but that's fine. And these have a gorgeous holographic, yeah, oh, just look at that, there. And then over half of them I'm going to put these balloons, so every day we'll have one balloon there, because of the purples in the kit. And yeah, I just think that will be a beautiful combo and very, very me, and that's what I'm going to be using for my birthday week. I'm hoping. I was in a really reading slump on my birthday as well, so it doesn't really make a lot of sense. Then the next week I didn't really have anything going on. We were just mostly at home, so I've gone with an at-home kit, and this again is Clip Art Kit's art, but this is a kit from my shop called Rain and Sunshine. So we have these other full boxes. I just thought it was a nice like April showers bring May flowers sort of kit. So yeah, and you've got the like oranges and the bluey greys, and I think this is really pretty. So I love those date covers. Get so many little things, and then your other 2 boxes with the doggo, and then this is all of your extra skin and hair colours there as well, because I will always include those for free. So that's that. And then foil wise, I decided to go with silver again, and it's like April showers bring May flowers. That's kind of what I was thinking, because this is like nearly the end of April. So I've got the Plannerface foil bundle again in silver, and that's there. And then underlay wise, I thought because of the oranges, gold would go really well, and I had these made, so I've gone with stuff I already have made. So not necessarily like the best foil combos, but things that I had and that work I've gone with. So that is for that. And the last week is my grandpa's 101st birthday, it was. So I've gone with the only other birthday kit I have, which is this other Josephine Bow Designs mystery. So again, I have the same slight worries about not having enough stuff, basically. So we will see how it goes. I think I will be okay, but yeah, we'll see what happens when I come to do it. And obviously this is quite a girly birthday kit. I was actually going to use it for my dad's 70th birthday, but I didn't in the end. You've actually seen that plan with me already, I think, maybe. So yeah, they're the underlays, and so when I made those yellow underlays, I was actually trying to make this like this colour, and it looked way more like the yellow I made first, because like on camera on screen it looked way more similar, whereas this one looked like a funny colour in comparison, but actually matches way better. It's just not dark enough, but I think that it will work well, and because it's the green, I think it like pulls in the more manly side of it, if you see what I mean. So that is for my grandpa's 101st birthday. I cannot believe he is 101, but he is. So yeah, that is the last week, because that is the 27th of April. There will be a May and June lineup coming, I believe. I can't remember when it comes out, but it will be coming. So that's everything we've got for this video. We have 2 kits from my shop, 3 Plannerface kits, 2 Josephine Bow, 1 Scribble Prints Co and 1 Pink Planner Shop. So it's a lot lower Plannerface than normal, but as I said, I was just trying to find kits that fit, and yeah, that I already owned. So leave a comment down below, let me know about those hands. I'm definitely leaning towards not including them, but let me know what you think in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. Comment, like down below, all that kind of jazz. YouTube will currently be recommending my previous kit lineup videos, as well as a video it thinks you will enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!